Your words can either build respect or destroy it. Do you want to know how the 1% choose theirs? I'm Natalie. I help married business owners strengthen their love life to elevate their business success. In this video, I'll show you how the 1% speak in their relationship and why their words inspire respect and admiration. Number one, they speak calmly in conflict, and confrontation is a skill you must learn. Rage loses respect and people shut down. Waste of time. Elite men control their tone, even in heat, because calm authority earns admiration. Point number two, words that build, not break. Elite men avoid sarcasm, criticism, and unnecessary jabs. Their words build trust, not tearing it down. Words are extremely powerful. They're like a weapon, and you want to utilize that weapon smartly and wisely. You can choose to build that person up or tear that person down. What do you think will benefit both people? Obviously, building up. Encouragement alone, believing in someone, pointing out their strengths alone. What you focus on, what you say will grow. What you speak death over or neglect will eventually die, collapse. Same thing in business and in marriage. What are you saying daily about her, to her? What are those words? Are they tearing down or building her up and encouraging her? Even just showing appreciation through your words. You know, like, thank you so much for keeping the house clean, maintaining the house in a great way. Whatever the case is, pointing out their strength, they're going to want to be motivated to do that more. Elite men know respect flows both ways, and their words set the tone. Do you actually want to have the exact tools to speak like the 1%? Download the free marriage ROI toolkit below. Link is below. Point number three, they speak with clarity. No vague promises, no half answers. Their words match their actions, building trust and credibility. Point number four, they speak vision. Right? Words create future. Words are like seeds. What kind of seeds are you putting in your home? Or like, think of it like a farm. What kind of seeds are you putting in your farm for that to grow, to flourish, or for them to die and never really grow and never really have nothing going for you and your family? So what kind of seeds are you putting in your marriage, in your home, with your kids? What is that? Whatever you say, we will eat the fruit of it. Bottom line, we can't escape that law. So you want to utilize words as your greatest weapon. Words create future and confidence. The 1% don't just talk about problems all day long. They talk about what they are building together. Do you want guidance on where to start and how to speak like the 1%? Download the free marriage ROI toolkit. Link is below. Point number five, they speak gratitude, what they most cherish about that person. Respect grows when effort is acknowledged, and that person wants to do more of that. Elite men voice their gratitude daily and intentional. Point number six, they speak life into her. They affirm, encourage, and remind her of her value. Taking the time to really think what her value is, even writing it down. I've heard of this story years ago in a business training seminar. My mentor mentioned that she knew a couple that they were on the verge of splitting, separating, divorce. So she challenged one spouse to write down 5 things she is most grateful for of her spouse. Writing them down before she goes to bed, they come back to the next business training seminar, and she mentions, we're all over each other. We're so in love. We just can't keep our hands off of each other. I love supporting him, reminding him the man that he is, all because of gratitude. Something that we take for granted. So you want to implement gratitude intentionally every day. Even if you can't physically tell her, start with journaling it every night before you go to bed. 5 things that you're most grateful for about her, and naturally watch your marriage literally shift into greatness. It will surprise you. It's the craziest thing. I highly recommend that you do. And also, words of life fuel loyalty and attraction. Again, listen to me. Elite men speak differently. Their demeanor is different. They have this way of not saying much, but they're still confident in who they are. And people are attracted by that. They're attracted by someone who doesn't have to explain themselves or say much. The people that are more observant tend to be more attractive because they're constantly listening and also choosing their words wisely. They know words create respect intimacy, and alignment. If you want to learn how to be that man that she craves and desires again, just by through these simple tools that is inside the Marriage ROI Toolkit, highly recommend that you download it. It's in the description below or pinned comment. Read it, look over it, apply it, enjoy the process, and I'm looking forward to hearing your results from it.